Good evening, and we're all good in the hood. So yeah, so daghang salamat sa another business opportunity that you will be expecting atuwagin ng business. So we'll be going to have a franchise for no, it's just not like a franchise, but we will be one of those agents that we will be helping community na para ma-change ang lives sa mga lain-laing mga katawhan, which is sa mga tao nga broke and until now they're still striving hard to earn money, to put food on their plate. So why not? So I'll be the one to be an instrument para mahimo ninyo nga makuha ninyo yung financial stability nga gina take as your goal. So why not? So let's start on working on it. So di mo ganahan ngayon yung mismong boy kasa-kasa nga perming kasaba-saba mo inyong ma-mentor when it comes to if you're really a vlogger and ganahan ka mag vlog. So why not, by doing the business atong isabay na mag-business ka on the other side, you're earning on it and you will be earning in your vlog as well. So tagahan kag mga tips on how to boost your income and doing business and about the promotions or promoting your product as well, just like affiliate marketing, which will be one of my business, so on. So by this Saturday, guys, as what I mentioned to our brother Reginald Bayakal, so we're going to go boom and build a network naman. So inanag na guys, basta dugong network marketer or networker. So by the time when I business or opportunity nga itong mauyunan, so why not? We're going to welcome it as a blessing. So we're here right now, here in Park Mall side already and going to Cebu City. So you'll be expecting na din ang napita. Pasalamat ang mga bagong oportunidad. And we are one of those people nga na-recognize when it comes to networking. So yes, so for my past company, I do really appreciate and all the learnings out there, because I know for sure that those money that I've earned is just a bonus and income. So kana din ang napita, pasalamat ni Lord nga daghang salamat nga daghang ta nakatunan. So padayon ta. So we will be going to SRP, South Road Properties. And yes, so din ang napita guys, you will be expecting as ako ang mga vlog, there will be a lot of orientations or whatsoever or business purposes ng mga vlog nga itong buhaton. So I do really want you, I'm looking forward that mag-work ta sa itong business, and at the end of the day magkita ta sa atong financial freedom or financial stability nga ato ang goal sa life. So why not change our face, atong face sa atong life, which is mo na nga luoy kita, which is we're already broke. So why not broke. So break the boundaries, break the glass, and break all those barriers in order for you to take all those actions and take risk guys. Nanaragin na sa guys, ang ginabuhi guys isa ra ginakasugal. Why? You cannot really have new opportunities if there will be no new knowledge or no new actions that you're gonna take as a blessings. So Lord, thank you Lord for this day, and I'm really hoping that by this time that I'm going to take this decision, it is really going to go boom, and this is where I'm going to meet my dream car, my dream income, my dream lifestyle, and that's right. So yes, it's your boy Kasakasa in the house, yo, Don John Rick on my Facebook, and yes, so we're here right now in Radisson Blue. So I'm really aiming that one of these days or by next year I'm going to have my own unit at Radisson Blue, and by that time kung sa akong asa ako ang sala guys, ako ang sala mo ka ng SMC Cebu. So why not enjoy the life? Life is a one-time offer guys, use it well and build a legacy that someone will remember you as a good people or a good Samaritan here in our world. Okay, so we're all good right now guys. So we're approaching SRP, going past Robinson Galleria, Cebu City. So shout out to all the call center out there, my co-workers, Sykes, or the former Sykes, which is now as Found Ever. So yes, daghang salamat ninyo guys. So mapasalamatan na guys nga na bagong oportunidad nga ihatag ni Lord, which is really suit to our new business na itong ginabuild, which is we will be selling apparels just like shoes, caps, just like dad hats, snapbacks, and shorts and t-shirts, which we will be going to go for enter na tag mga clothing line, guys. So I'll be going to release my clothing brand pinakataas siguro na September, which will be the Fiesta of Calamba. And also we will be going to enter the rap scene, guys. So kana rap scene, guys, so muna aton i-release ato ang first song, which will be Boy Kasa Kasa Tira Kanaas, and we will be expecting adin ang dapita musaba ta sa social media. So what else? So what are the things that we're going to go to? So kana, thank you Lord sa pag-iya nako. And kani tanan-tanan Lord, kung dili tungod nimo, kung dili tanan, kung dili tungod aning gihatag kinabuhi sa kuha, dili kani makuha din tanan-tanan grasya nga akong na tilawat karong adlaw. So Lord, salamat sa for span of 27 years. Salamat sa free life, salamat sa free oxygen, salamat sa free strands and powers. Do all those grace in gihatag Lord. I'm really thankful. So di na napita Lord, that's why you will be expecting that there's a lot of charity works nga tong buhaton, and we will start changing lives of the other people. So unta mas mapasalamaton tayo na napita. So we will be expecting makatabang taglaing mga tao, which is kanang din na napita makuha na to na sa gitna ng area. So why not? So saya nga na itong buhaton. Saya nga na itong buhaton. Yeah. So hello Cebu, it's your boy Kasa Kasa ni Lapak sa syudad sa Sugbo. So kana guys, life is a lot of courage and purpose. So you need to know about your purpose, your deepest why, and grind ka, hustle and grind ka. Just like what I'm doing right now. So napa ko trabaho niyang alas 10 and it's almost 7 p.m. in the evening already. So we do have 3 hours to go. Rest pataan na din ang napita. So what I'm going to do right now is mag-edit pa ko sa mga vlogs, mga pending videos na itong walang ma-release. And after that, rest na gamay. Malag, makatulog pa bata ni guys. So ako na itong tao guys nga one of those people nga magpasalamat na nakatay tulog ng mga 3 hours. Kana 3 hours lang kapin, 5 hours it will be really a good sleep na dinanapita. So for kuan guys, so if you're not familiar, so makatulog ta og tarong kana regular kuan guys kana Sabado Domingo. So wala tay mga events nga pag-atilan, but you will be expecting by this coming Saturday that I'm going to go boom. I'm going to enter the flip top event. So mutan-aw lang sa ta, and really looking forward nga basin pon maapil sa tali na nabita. So yes, so don't forget to click like and subscribe para sa suporta. So as of the moment, we're not still earning, but if you have the courage and you have the money, makatabang na to pang gasolina, why not? Yeah, okay. So this is really a good ways of fun guys. By the time nga maabot sa point nga kana din ang napita mo lista og mga song and so on, mag-income na to. Okay? So Lord, tagaan ko ng grasya, tabangan ko nimo na by the time na mag-release na ko sa akong kanta, I'm earning already. Bisan lang sa Facebook lang unta. And pag panantag yung hatag na sa YouTube, pwede sa boy. Alright. So, all good right now. Okay, so, kana guys. It's stopped. So sometimes guys, so ang ato ang live murag na siya traffic light. Why? So if there are some things na makapasakit nimo or makapawagtang sa imong buot or agrabyado ka, you need really to stop on it. So why not? Ayaw pa dayon na kung tanaw nimo masakitan na ka. It's like that. Ana ra gyud siya guys. So kung tanaw nimo kailangan mo biya. Just stop. So why not? Kung naglisod ka or naglibog ka or na-pressure ka sa inyong relasyon karon, why not? Iyain na siya. Ari ng boy kasa-kasa. By the time nga kayo mo iyab, so yes, grabe kasaba yung mga ngalan. So why not? We're going to build love team. So bitag yung joke na. So hindi pa kita ko guys, hindi pa ko ready for a new love life. So I'm still aiming for financial stability. So as of the moment guys, so by next year mag 100,000 na atong income per month. So which is mao na ato ang pagabuhaton pagapanigdamutan nga dinadapita maabot na. So yes, so why not? Hindi ko na maabot na. So we've reached 5 digits in a row right now. So we're earning almost 50k to 60k a month just because of our business nga ginabuhat, and mapasalamaton ta nga dinadapita is kuan kana nagpadayon lang gyapon man. So kana Lord, akong ihatag nimo ang tanan-tanan pabor o himaya. So shout out to all the baby girls out there, sa mga taga CTU students. So boy kasa in the house nagsaba-saba imo makita dire sa CTU. So yeah, so on, and God bless sa tanan-tanan mga estudyante yan guys. So unta sa kana inyong mga magpapa hinaot niyo na silang tabangan, di ninyo na tabangan doot, okay? So more na siya guys. Ay, no left to? No left to. No left to. So din yung nakita guys, naabot ta dire, and kana magdali lang taron guys di wan atay hapiton kay para sa nga laos makapahuay patag sa mga 1 hour lang ito makatulog pa ta ni ron guys. Balo lang guys, as kuan as a negosyante guys, by the time nga mo-boost na yung mga energy guys, lisod na kaya na stop guys. So ako aron is akong energy guys is until until 3 AM or kadlawon. So buhi pa ko din na napita, and di wala expect nga magduka-duka na ta mag-take of calls mga 4 to 5 kay mo lagi na naanad ta bang kuan productive atong adlaw. So yes, salamat, and God bless sa tanan-tanang grasya nga ihatag mo sa kuwa Lord sa maman. Goodbye to my yeah. Yep.